How to find UPC code on CjDropshipping. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, I know that a lot of people has been struggling and wondering about this, so I went and contacted the CjDropshipping support team and I asked her how can I find the UPC code. She told me that they don't have the UPC, they only have the SKU number, which is the stock keeping unit. And then she asked me, is your store eBay? So I told her, no, I'm just asking general question, but why eBay specifically? She told me that UPC number for eBay, for people who are using eBay, they can just ask from the support team. And she told me also that you can also put does not apply or that symbol when you list the product on eBay. So the UPC code is not necessary for people who use eBay. And I asked her, this only applies on eBay, right? She told me it depends on your store. She only knows eBay has the UPC, but the others she don't know. And that's it. So there you have it, my friend. I know that it might not be the answer that you were expecting, but CjDropshipping does not offer the UPC code. So yeah, that was it for this video. That's how you can, or that was some answers about the UPC code on CjDropshipping. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.